Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Rickler and I'm going to walk you through how you gain access and update your profile in our new Bulls Connect student organization and engagement platform. This time I'm going to share my screen so I can walk you through the individual steps that you'll take. When you get to a web browser, type in bullsconnect.usf.edu/home_login right up here that you'll see in the web browser. Type that in and it'll bring you to this landing page. When you hit this landing page, you're going to see this wonderful little circle that says sign in. Click that button and begin your process of logging into Bulls Connect. You'll then come to this landing page, which is your main access point into the Bulls Connect platform. For all USF students, staff, please feel free to click this USF login. We are using single sign-on. If you are a guest at the University of South Florida, meaning you do not have a USF email address, you can follow the instructions for the guest account. But any staff member, student, faculty, etc. that has a USF ID and a USF email address should click this button right here that says USF Login. I have already created my account, so it will log me right in. You might find that there are some additional steps that are required, so please feel free to follow any instructions that you may be provided. What you see now is the landing page for Bulls Connect. You will see that there are the instructions up here where you can create your menu if you follow my cursor, the Bulls Connect logo, and then this top header bar that has home, groups, events, chats. Most of you won't have the admin button like I have. Over here, you'll see search, you'll be able to bookmark, you'll be able to do notifications, and then this is an aspect of where you'll be able to manage your account. Also want to bring to attention the left sidebar, where you will be able to click quickly for your feed, our user directory if you click on it, and then service opportunities. Down below, you'll see that there is a My Activities section. This is where all of your personalized information within the platform will be kept. So the groups that you are attached to, the events that you are subscribed or registered for, any meetings that you might be having, any checklists and/or involvement. I'll also bring you into the center of this platform. There are many ways for you to learn how to engage. If you click on this little graphic right here, it'll bring you to ways that you can maximize your involvement here within the platform. You can always return back to this landing page via the home page tab right up here. You'll see that we've got some upcoming events and more will populate as more are entered into the platform. And down here at the bottom, you'll see that we have this wonderful student organization workspace. If you click on this graphic, it'll bring you to the various different resources that have been developed for student organizations to help them maximize this platform, but then also for all of those resources to be in one central location here on the platform. Take a minute to just digest what's available here on the landing page. Again, the top header bars, the left sidebar, and then the main sort of central area. Okay, so now that you've gotten comfortable with sort of the features within the platform, I want to bring to your attention how you can create and/or update your profile. So some of you may already be in the system. We have uploaded some information, but we want to make sure that information is correct. So up here in the far left right-hand corner, you'll see my little photo and you'll see a little drop-down menu. If you click on that, you'll be able to pull down this little dashboard. This dashboard allows you to see where you are in completing your profile information. So the first thing I'm going to do is have you click View Profile. This brings up the various different profile information that you have entered or has been entered for you. You'll see that I've already added a few pieces of information, so yours might look a little more sparse when you get to yours, but it will give you your email, your work phone, your degrees that you've added in. I've added in some of my own personal interests. And those have been, and then some of the groups that I'm a part of. So this gives you a basic understanding of what's already been loaded. Many of your categories may look empty and fields may look empty. So I'm going to bring you over here to the Edit Profile. This is over here on the right-hand side. You click on that tab, and that'll bring you into where you can personalize and upload your own profile information. So feel free to type in your name, your last name, your email, your account type. So I'll bring down the drop-down menu. You could be a graduate student, undergraduate student, professional student, staff, faculty, community, partner, guest. So select the one that best fits you. Feel free to put in your year of graduation if you would like, and then any kind of bio information that you feel is relevant to include. Legal first name, middle initial, and then any nationalities that you may want to provide. Here is an opportunity for you to upload a photo, and then you'll also see that you get a cover photo that you can upload. If you have additional email addresses, an alumni, or any other information, you can add it here. I'm going to take you back up to the top of the screen, and you'll see that there are various different menu information. So you have basic, contact, academic, professional, interest, and social media. Click on each one of these to continue to upload and fill out your individual profile. Phone numbers, etc. Academics, really talking a little bit about your degrees, professional experiences, interests. So this is where you can select various different tags. So please feel free to go in and add those based on your personal interests or your career. Tagging is a way that we really will filter within this platform. So the more you can add information via these various different tags, the better you will be able to present yourself and for people to find you. And then if you wanted to share any of your personalized social media platform links here, please feel free. Click back to view your profile, and more information should have been populated onto this page based on what you have added. If you go back up to the little circle here, you go down and you'll see that there's a few more options for you to consider. We want you to consider your notification settings. So click on that tab, and you'll see the various different ways this platform will communicate with you via the various different channels. So whether that's the web, email, or mobile. You have a nice little button up here where you could unsubscribe from all notifications. We wouldn't encourage you to do that immediately, but to go through and actually deselect or select any information that you want to have. So on these, anything that is not checked, I will not receive. Anything that is checked, I will receive. In the beginning, as we're getting used to this platform, we would encourage people to receive communications and notifications from all the various different channels so they can stay up to date on what's happening within the platform and help us identify areas that we can still strengthen. The last little area I would encourage you to look into is privacy settings. So I'm going to click on that one here. This is the page where you can identify what will be shared publicly within the space. Any little box that you don't select or that is unclicked will not be public. And so please feel free to go through these and select what you would like to have shared publicly and then what you would like to have hidden from the profile. That is up to each individual person. And click back here. I'm going to take us back to the home. So that gets you through what we would say are the initial steps that we would want you to complete to gain access into the platform and then also ensure that your profile is set up. If you have any questions whatsoever at all regarding this platform or your onboarding and or setup, please email bullsconnect@usf.edu. Thank you.